about Minnie the Moocher.
What you just saw is my intro to 2D animation with Blender. Students will be drawing for 1.5 hours per class. This class is for students who love animation and drawing. If a student likes drawing, then they should not take this class. This class is for students who are passionate about drawing. If they are not passionate about drawing, they will get bored and not do well in this class. Furthermore, I don't teach how to draw in this class, but how to use Blender to make 2D animations. All animations you saw, I drew using a computer mouse. But if you have a drawing tablet, then you are going to excel in this class. I can't wait to see what you will animate. See you in class.